before we go to the video, you can go and check out my Etsy shop. Just type in "I draw my passion" and you will find all my works which are for sale. And now back to the video. Hey, welcome back again with new creation. This time I'm representing you again another painting by the name Almost There, which is a motivation for me, and I also want to make it for like a motivation for all of you who are working on your dreams. And I know sometimes it feels like we are lost or we are not sure if we are going into the right direction, but actually whatever we are doing, we are just one step away from our goal. But if we will quit, we will never know. So all we need to do is just keep moving forward. And for this painting, after I finished it, I also wrote a little poetry about it, or a song, and I will read it right now. So enjoy watching the video and enjoy this poetry, and I hope you can connect with it somehow. So yes, enjoy. So the poetry goes like that. You do what you do, don't stop what you do. You can achieve something great if you will follow your state. The state of your mind where creativity is the sign. You can decide to stand on your side. Don't follow the others, follow yourself. Do what it feels right. That's how to achieve something great. I can assure you, you're close to your goal. You're almost there. Just follow your soul. When you move, you don't quit. When you fall, you don't slip. Raise like a bird. Shine and go deep. Deep in yourself. Deep in your soul. You're just now realize this is the goal. The goal is already inside you. So it telling us that sometimes we are chasing the things, but actually all the things are already inside us. Like when we go deep into our soul, into our mind, we find out that time is always now, and more we are chasing the things, more we are getting away from this moment, and more we are getting away from this moment, more lost we are feeling. So don't chase too much. Try to stay in the present moment. Like, have a goal what you want to achieve, but stay in the present moment, and that's how we can achieve anything and still feel good and feel present. And I think this is the whole meaning behind everything. So we can be happy, we can be present, and we can still achieve great things. But when we are focusing into future moments too much, we can lose the sight of present, and when we lose the sight of present, we get lost. And that's why it's important to stay in this moment, because this is all it is, and that's how we can enjoy this journey to achieving the goal. So the goal is right here, right now, inside of us, and that is everything. So yes, I believe that you can achieve anything you're working on right now, and I'm wishing you all the best on your journey to find your purpose, to find your passion and follow it. Just follow it, and you will see that life will lead you to where you belong. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was somehow inspirational. And yes, if you like this video, you can hit the like button below this video. You can subscribe to my channel if you like my work, and we will see you in the next video. Falling means growing. Growing means learning. Learning is power. I'm getting power. When I'm falling, I'm flying. When I'm hurting, I'm learning. When I'm right, I am wrong. I will stop talking.